Do you remember parasailing off the coast of Jamaica? The way the water sparkled below, a beautiful green-blue gradient of ocean. The rush of the wind lifting you as you were literally flying. The sound of the air gliding against the silken canopy of your sail. Do you remember parasailing off the coast of Jamaica? No? Make memories for your senses. Travel. Do you remember having authentic Italian pizza in Naples? The puffy charred crust, the excess flour on your fingertips, the smell of tomato slices and mozzarella, the sumptuous texture that melted in your mouth. Do you remember having pizza in Naples? No? Make memories for your senses. Travel. Do you remember climbing the Wall of China? The incline of uneven stairs laid out before you. The strain on your legs as you complete a 7-mile stretch uphill into northwest Beijing, seeing hundreds of other hikers and realizing you're all standing on a 2,000-year-old masterpiece and walking together on the journey of a lifetime. Do you remember climbing the Wall of China? No? Make memories for your senses. Travel.